Just like our Facebook account, that's www.facebook.com/Shakey'sBLeague. Like it, please. And now, we are at the point where we will introduce to you our face of the game. No other than Daisy Jane Sande, 18 years old from Novaliches, Quezon City. Yan naman, Ivy eh. Nunod ka lang, may free pizza ka pa eh.
Kaya nakagandahan dito sa bilig eh. Nag-enjoy ka na, may libreng merienda pa. O, diba?
Perfect!
Perfect agad. Pero po, pag sa mga kaibigan mo, lilibre ko kayo ng pizza.
Pumigi pa eh. Going back to the game, Kaine Pomoceno once again for the Bulldogs.
But she has been very effective, you know, in her position.
And she likes sets that are far away from the net, no? Ngayon,
mapapansin natin yun eh.
Malalayo eh. Yun, mahirap yun eh, diba? It's quite difficult.
Actually, and also, but in another light, that's also harder to block pagka mas malayo sa net.
Kasi pwede nang pumosisyon yung spiker kung saan niya gusto padaanin yung bola. May special luxury looking at the blockers.
Right, so ang timing is also harder para timingan.
Right. Santinao comes in for Saliban.
And we know that there will be an adjustment here. So it will be Monique Chanco now doing the setting duties for the Lady Bulldogs.
Oh, Tiago giving it to Santiago beautifully, but that was blocked. Oh, combination plays. Good save. Tiago was there. Oh, Jeff read well. Oh, this block from Eliza Valdez. Eliza with a single block, as we'll see it once again. Inabangan niya eh. Galing na yun from a block eh.
Yeah.
Well, Monique Chanco, of course, does not have much choice at that point kung kanino niya ibibigay yung bola. Jem giving it to Gretchen, and Gretchen on the running hit. Gets it.
4-point lead now being in.
Coach Francis Vicente calls a timeout. Let's listen in.
Laki, huwag kang tamarin. Sumipag ka. Oh, gano'ng kabilis pa yung set para hindi mo mahabol? Mahulit naman magaling, may hahabol din. Pumunta ka doon. Binibitawan mo eh. Kaya paano ka makakapalo niyan? Ito lang ang talon mo, isang dangkal. Paano ka makakapalo? Ayaw. Diretso mo pa sa kamay. Ayun.
Well, as I've always said, ang blocking nasipag talaga yan eh. No? It's within you eh, kung magbablock ka, hindi. And usually, in question nga yan palagi on the third set, fourth set, kasi yung pagod na rin.
That's
sets
right.
in. But, nasisira kasi yung defensive pattern when somebody doesn't go for a block.
Yeah, you have to agree. And usually the burden of that goes to the center blocker. I'm sure alam mo yan, Mozzie. The rest mo yan. Kasi really, di ba, if you're a center blocker, you go left, right, middle, lahat talaga ng pwesto mo, pwestohan mo,
Saka
pupuntahan
ikaw yung nagpapasa.
Oo,
diba?
eh.
Sumusunod
Ikaw yung
lang.
habol.
Sumusunod na yung mga nasa sides. And another point now goes to Ateneo. As Cassini now inside. And Aganon coming in for Mandapan. It's Carmina Aganon.
Of course, we understand why Coach Francis has opted for this fielding in these set of players. Of course, kailangan niya kasi ng blocking as much as possible. That's why nandun sa harapang malalaki ng players.
Yung kanina nga sinasabi niya kay Dinding, kailangan masipag sa blocking. And especially kung si Dinding Santiago can really damage a lot, do a lot of damage for against Ateneo. Kasi ang laki niya eh.
So, she doesn't really have to exert that much effort in terms of
Sabi ko nga sana konting effort lang
I think she's mahaba pa mga arms. So, konting abot lang na garo, abot na niya.
Oo, dali, no? Di tulad natin. Eh, well, ikaw medyo mahaba ka rin. Todo effort. That effort wasn't enough coming from Lazaro, as now Coach Charo Soriano calls time.
Basta tumaas, pwede mong palpog na lang tao sa gitna.
Paano ng palo?
Hindi natin dyan yung bola draw, malakas yung harap.
Let's try to look at that previous play. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina ba kay Kisini. We'll try anything and everything in this game.
Oo, kanina parang kahit sambutin, sasambutin.
Alam niya eh, what's at stake. Oh, that was well read by Tiangco.
Quick at
And Cassini single-handedly closing the door for Dindit Santiago.
You know, when Cassini is up front, you really have to make your attackers move.
True, that's
Hindi
correct.
pwede yung mga atake na talagang parang
Set
oo,
natin.
eh.
Basang-basa niya yan eh. Kailangan mabilis.
Kailangan mabilis, kailangan paikutin mo lahat kasi kailangan gumalaw talaga. Pagalawin mo talaga si Cassini.
Maganon. Free ball. Cassini to Kainglet. A bit short there. Napaaga yung take-off ni Kainglet. Medyo short yung set.
Mataas pa yung dating ng bola, so
Mistiming it. As Santiago now service line. Iniesta was trying to get in, but no go, says our second referee. Oh, Kainglet! Sweet spot! Beautiful angled hit coming from Phil Kainglet as Coach Francis
Ulit,
wants to talk to his girls.
Floor defense, ha? Nagbablock, malaki. Ang floor defense nyo nandito. Anong kukunin nyo dyan? Hindi muna kayo mag-abang dito. Pagkapalo, tsaka kayo pumasok. Hindi pa pumapalo, nandito ka na. Dinaturo, gagawin ko pa ganito. Basta naman kayo ng spiker. Kung kailan kayo humahabol, bigla kayong bibitaw.
Well, basic.
yeah.
Basic in defending, it's easier to run forward than to
Than
backpedal.
backward.
Diba?
Totoo naman yun. Ewan ko lang kung meron tao pa sa dadalawa pa atras kaysa para.
Bilib ako dun, And that's really a basic thing. In every sport siguro, mas madaling tumakbo forward.
That's right.
Oh, and great save by the Lady Bulldogs. Cassini. Once again, saved by Kai. A single block against Aganon by Cassini. And pag nagsaharap ng talaga itong si Cassini, kailangan mag-adjust ka eh. Ng spike mo.
Kailangan pag-uri mo ng pag-uri. Talagang pahabulin mo ng pahabulin.
It's actually up to the setter.
Right. Kasi usually the setter naman is yung nga yung tinatawag natin brain, di ba? Brain of the team.
Phil saving that one. Basho blocked by Vivas.
Miscommunication from Ferrer and Valdez.
Vivas, great point. Now Cassini putting things into place. Calling a short huddle. Mandapat now entering for Aganon. Getting back her spot. Nice sure serve. Phil came in flying it for that attack. Oh, and Tiangco making it.
Cassini off the block. Chanko.
Shem was there. Kainglet with a push. Oh, credit the defense of both teams. Reyes with closed eyes trying to save that one. Malay mo nga naman, diba? Nothing's impossible. Pero tapang din talaga. Tapang mo eh, no? That's why you love her. You
Yeah.
love seeing her play for NU. Grabe yung defense niya. It's really amazing. Amazing to watch. Nakakatawa. Oh, the poor first ball though. But saving that ball.
Combination attack.
Ay, Nepomuceno off speed. From the back row, Cassini nailing that one. As we finish the second set with Ateneo winning it 25-20 against the Lady Bulldogs. Another close one, Ivy, as we
That's right.
see shaky shake and play of the set.
And we've seen a lot of very long rallies in this set as well.
But Cassini really wanted this one.
Sabi mo nga all over, yeah. O pati backcourt, front line.
We'll be seeing more of Cassini after this short break.